What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we've got a banger. So in today's video, we got a pretty interesting topic. We have something that affects a lot of Tacoma owners, even straight from the factory. Me, I'm lifted, I'm a little bit heavier, so this interests me a little bit more, but nonetheless, we're talking about the KD Max Tune or a pedal commander, sprint booster, one of those two. Alright, but first, I bought something off of Facebook. I usually don't buy stuff off Facebook, but I bought something off Facebook. It was $20. I couldn't resist. Sandy thinks it's dumb. It's a standing tent. Alright, so maybe this was a dumb purchase. We go to the beach quite often, and sometimes we have to change by the vehicle, and this way, well, we can change. But also, once I actually start camping, I could take this bad boy out, you know, if I get it. I don't know, I think that's super sick. It's very convenient whenever I go to the beach. Sometimes there's just not changing rooms or bathrooms, so that's that. I'm also not entirely sure how to put it back in its place. I got it once, and that was with Sandy's help. I'm a pro. Anyways, I'm sorry. I just thought that was so sick. And Sandy didn't have the same enthusiasm as I did. But I don't know. I'm excited to change. I'm excited to go to the beach and have my own pop-up tent. So this whole video comes from going to the beach. I've driven this truck to the beach now 2 or 3 times. I went off-roading last weekend. So I've been doing a lot of long distance road trip. Now, what happens when you go long distance? You have to merge on the highway. Merging on the highway with this Tacoma, well guys, I'll be quite honest, she's a dog. She gets there eventually, but the throttle feels dead. Like, I get it, people say put your foot in, blah blah blah. No, okay, like it feels like it is not there. Like I'm putting my foot in and nothing is happening. No downshifting, no increase in speed, nothing. So I started to do some research. KD Max Pro Tune or a pedal commander sprint booster, we'll call it a pedal enhancer. So at the end of this video, please leave your comments down below. If you're pro tune, leave a like. If you're pro pedal enhancer, leave a like. If you're neither, leave a like and a subscription. Actually, everyone just subscribe, please. I need it. So let's talk about these things. So we're going to talk about the pricing, what they do, and my fear about getting them. Starting off with the price, they are pretty comparable. A KD Max Pro Tune runs you around $400 in my area. On the other hand, you can get a pedal enhancer for like $300. I will say $300. Under $300 for sure, but $300 max. Now, there's a $100 price difference, but in reality, in the grand scheme of things, $100 is really nothing. So a pedal enhancer, $300. KD Max Pro Tune, $400. So let's talk about what they do. You get a throttle enhancer, you plug it into your Tacoma, and your throttle is enhanced. Pretty much what that means is you don't have to put as much input to get as much output. Does that make sense? I saw something on Tacoma World. It pretty much just means it gets you your power quicker. That's all it does. It doesn't give you more power, it just gets it to you quicker. On the other hand, I realize I'm about to sound like a complete salesman. I have no affiliation with neither of these. The KD Max Pro Tune gives you better throttle response, better MPG, better transmission shifts, and possibly, supposedly, if you do the 93 octane tune, more horsepower. I didn't buy this Tacoma to be a beast in horsepowers, not at all. I didn't. But I needed to be a little bit more comfortable driving. Again, my adventure vehicle right here, okay? I like to go places with it. In Toyota, you gotta let the throttle feel better to go places. Does that $100 difference justify the big changes? I would say so. I would definitely say yes. It does justify it, but this is where things start to get sketchy for me. They both have their very, very big downsides. In my opinion, huge downsides that honestly kind of outweigh the benefits. Hear me out. The pedal enhancers. It is common sense, it is general knowledge that electronics fail. I do not like to have the possibility for an electronic made to enhance my throttle, to make me go faster, to fail. Some people have had one of 2 issues. One, it'll start accelerating very violently. Hello, what? Secondly, they'll be accelerating around 80 miles an hour and the truck will go into limp mode. If I'm going 80 miles an hour down the highway, I do not want my truck to go into limp mode. That is very dangerous for everyone. So that is very scary with the pedal enhancer. A lot of people call them junk, a lot of people call them trash, a lot of people stand by them religiously. I don't know, I stand by myself religiously, I don't want to die. So if you're a team pedal enhancer, let me know. Have you had any issues? Any check engine lights? I'm trying to find out. On the other hand, the KD Max Pro Tune, I know some people are gonna stand by it because I've seen the reviews and I get it, it sounds amazing. But me, okay guys, I understand if I was just like some random dude on the internet and said I had bad luck. You guys know how much bad luck I have. 5 different alignment shops. 5. 2 of which I paid twice to do the work. So I'm in like $700 in alignments. So what I'm hinting at is, it sounds sketchy. It's so sketchy. I'm about to drive like an hour or 2 to get to this place. Park next to this guy with the Tacoma. He's gonna plug something into my truck, and then I'm gonna be driving around with magic pixie dust that supposedly makes my truck feel better. And then if something does go wrong, do I just message this guy on Facebook to come and help me out? If this was like my quicksand Tacoma that I didn't plan on holding forever, I would do it. I would have no problem. But Big Blue, I want to keep him for as long as I can. I don't want to just put a random tune on him and call it a day. So that's kind of where I'm at. I have the money in my account, and it's burning a hole in it, and it's trying to go. So I'm trying to do it. I want to do it. I just need that little push. So down below in the comments, let me know, guys, what have you done? What should I not do? Anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. Again, road to 1 million. We're at 4,040 subscribers. We're growing really, really fast. I don't know how, but you're making it happen. Like, comment, subscribe. Share this to your favorite Tacoma group chat if they're interested debating. Maybe they are, maybe they aren't. Just share it. But anyways, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.